Ayaw sumang-ayon ng audio. Sabi sa'yo, dapat wala kang internet eh. Okay. At magandang gabi. Ipapalabas po ito via Premiere. Via Premiere Reaction. Abangan nyo po yun in the coming days. Pero ito pala yung sinasabi kong forbidden. Oo, ito pala yun. So buti na lang. Gising na gising pa ang anim natin na giliw, wag mo sanang isipin at ikaw ay aking lilisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa yung piling, aba punyeta ka. Charot. Ito na, mga ka-NS, dahil ito na yung pagkakataon natin para magbalik tanaw sa mga hindi pa natatapos na kwentong yan. Diyos ko. Ito na, let's go. Balikan natin kaagad-agad ang unang kwento natin sa gabing ito at ito ang pagsasara sa BLB or Boys Lockdown. Let's start with episode number 5 with this bump. Simulan na natin siya kaagad-agad. Ngayon na. Transparent pala siya. Ayan. So, na-miss ko to. Oo. In fairness, ang payat ni Kaloy, ha? Ang payat pa ni Kaloy dito.
How did it go?
Ay, teka lang. Hintayin mo na natin si Dev.
Tinawag mo si Dev dito? Si Dev na ex-girlfriend mo?
Si Dev na nakipag-break sa akin para ligawan yung crush ng team captain ng women's volleyball team. Si Dev.
Hi!
Oh, ayan na nga si Devora mapili.
Oh, ito na nga ako, Martin Ilagan. Hi, kids!
Hi, Dev! Naks, new look tayo ah.
I'm inspired! Siyempre kapag may date, kahit virtual lang, kailangan magpaganda.
Wow, so may date. So, sino naman yan? Si volleyball captain?
Yup! And it seems like I've scored.
Wow. Umalik ka talaga mo doon, no? Ako pa talaga solo flight sa ating tatlo ngayon. But
Yun lang.
it's okay.
So, third wheel ka pala eh.
Oh, Kicks! Ano na? Balita! Ilang dalgona coffee na nagawa mo?
Mas exciting pa sa Dalgona Coffee ang nagawa niya ni Keith. Ay, sus!
Uy, ano to?
May namit ako.
Ang ganda pa.
Yung grabe kayo sa akin.
Kicks, don't get me wrong ha. Masaya talaga ako para sa'yo. Ay, diba? Milestone to and dapat i-celebrate natin. You know what? Here's to being too hot for just one gender.
Straight skin suck.
So, who is this boy? Tell me!
Si
Si Strong!
In fairness,
Alam
na-miss
nyo,
ko rin yung mga sisi strong,
grabe
di ba?
nararamdaman ko dito sa dibdib ko, guys. Lahat ng emotions and all.
Paano yan? Paano?
Nakaka-overwhelm.
Oh, wait. May suggestion ako. But please, bago niyo marinig, don't judge.
Alam mo, Marts, ikaw lang naman yung judge sa circle of trust natin. Pero, dapat pa rin namin.
Okay, so ito na yung suggestion. May nakita kasi akong upcoming webinar.
Ha! Sabi ka na nga ba, webinar na naman eh.
On meditation. Share ko sa inyo yung e-flyer.
We. On meditation ba yan?
Mindfulness for beginner. Mindfulness
In fairness, true ticket kumi pa rin. Oo. Sa bagay, yun talaga yung ano nila, platform nila.
My Olive Channels. Wala ko naintindihan, friend.
Feeling ko makakatulong sa'yo ito, Kalumso.
Ano ba yan? Wala nang sindi ko. Lupet.
Pero mo kasi talaga maalagaan ng mental wellness, lalo na ngayon.
Sige, G ako. Kailangan ko rin ng pampaquiet ng utak ko lately.
G tayo ah. Gagawin ko lang to kung sabay-sabay natin may experience.
G na nga rin ako. Baka makatulong to sa restlessness na nararamdaman ko.
Alam na this! Tawag dyan, being But same, Dev. Same.
G, so, teka lang. Paano ba to? Wait ka.
So.
Ox. Done. Yan. Kita-kits sa webinar, guys.
Okay. This is the missing part of us. It's the OBB. Tapos sakto maghahating gabi. Wait lang, nakatodo ba yung volume nito? Nakatodo. Hindi napansin. Ito na, webinar. Webinar
Hi
mode.
everyone! Let's just wait for the others to get here, then start tayo, okay?
Ay! Ay! May pahubad! Yes, Chen? Naghubad?
Anyari,
Si Happy Hitad. Natatawa ko din, Happy Hitad talaga yung pangalan niya.
Ayun siya,
Relief goods are scheduled to arrive within the day.
Please take care of it na, Chenny. Also, could you please put on a shirt?
Unit ads?
Are you joining the session?
Nana?
We're starting in a few minutes. Can you please put on something if you're joining us? Thanks.
Sure. By the way, Dicky says hi.
Ay, kinilig. Kinilig din siya. Don't tell me, kinilig ka rin.
That was my baby brother. Shall we start?
Good morning, everyone. If this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome ang lahat sa space na ito. If you're comfortable, you may leave your cameras open, but I'd like to request everyone to leave their mics on mute while the session is ongoing. The chat will be open if anyone would like to share anything. I'm Olive Chavez, a mindfulness meditation teacher and life coach, but you can call me Libby if you'd like. So, let's start off with a short guided meditation that's very...
Pati ba naman dito?
Fate! It's fate!
Shit pati ako tuloy na conscious bigla. Gosh, hot siya pero talagang hindi ko type. Gusto ko siya para sa'yo though.
Sinusundan naman yan.
Nagulat ako dun. Hot siya. Nagulat ako sa sinabi ni Martin Ilagan. Sabi niya, hot siya pero hindi ko siya type, ha? Okay, sige. Valid. Continue.
Kalma lang tayo dito, pwede.
You can go ahead and do that. Or if kung gusto nyo, you can keep your eyes open and gaze softly on the ground or on the wall.
Hey you! Long time no see! JK, what are you doing here?
Ang liit talaga ng mundo, no?
Yeah.
Nirecommend
Si
ng barkada.
Sodo.
Try daw namin. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Sister ko yung teacher.
And just sit in a relaxed but upright position and be aware.
Hoy! Pumunta ako dito para kumalma. Hindi para nervous.
You don't have to do anything special. Breathe and let it happen. Let whatever is happening happen.
Oo.
The breath is happening.
Breath.
Nothing is more natural than this.
Paano ka nga? Wait lang.
contest?
Wait lang. Paano ka makakapag-focus sa meditation kung puro kilig ang uunahin mo? 'Di ba? Ganun talaga. Go.
Unang pumikit talo. Ako ba hinahamon mo? Ha, Sisi Strong?
Yup. Starting now.
Andaya, hindi ako ready.
There is no right way or wrong way to do this. This
Hindi
is
talaga
not
siya
a
napikit.
competition.
Andaya mo. Hindi ko makita kung pumipikit ka ba or nakadilat ka pa.
But ako lang ba singkit dito? Ikaw rin kaya?
Labanan ng
See?
singkit pala to.
Dilat na dilat, oh.
Naman eh. Pinapatawa mo ko para matalo ako.
Siyempre, gusto kong manalo eh.
And you can open your eyes now.
Nakabukas na nga ang mga mata nila kanina pa. So, paano to?
Hi. Hi, KK. Did you want to share anything with the group?
Sorry po. So, ang relaxing po kasi na meditation, kaso lang parang...
Ang relaxing ba, ha?
Medyo bitin po.
Talo ka. I'll come up with a good penalty for you later. Be ready.
Uy, bagong reaction to But this is good. Usually I get the opposite
Familiar
from
yung
beginners na
Ian na
parang
gumaganap.
ang haba
Nasa
na
ano
ng
to
5 minutes. Sa
Wait lang. Familiar yung Ian. Kung nakikita nyo sa inyong mga screens, parang ito yung gumanap dun sa Marahuyo. Oo, parang na tong gumanap sa Marahuyo. Anong series to? Live natin dito yun, yung Marahuyo. Wait lang ha. Hanapin ko muna. Marahuyo. Marahuyo Project. Yeah, that's Marahuyo Project. Ba't kasi nag-unmute, di ba? Unang-una, yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag kayo kasi nasa Zoom, huwag niyong uunahin yung kilig nyo dahil nakakatanga. Nakakatanga yan mga garha. Tuloy.
Sa simula, talagang frustrating mag-concentrate. Pero okay lang yun.
Paano nga hindi makaka-frustrate? Inuunin yung kilig nyo.
Nagsisimulang mag-meditate. But that's very hard to do. Even I have a hard time getting my mind to stay quiet. Pwede ba nating pigilan ng utak nating mag-isip? That's literally its job. So, kung madidistract ka, edi madidistract ka. It's no big deal. The key to this practice is noticing the moment you get distracted. Then, simulan mo ulit. Start over as
Sabagay, it's for
many
beginners
times
nga diba?
Anyway, I don't want to hog the floor.
Anyways.
It's your time to shine if you want it. Does
Si Miss
anyone
M?
want to share anything with
Si Miss M, familiar siya dahil ito atay nasa to? Anong series to? Siya ba si Tina? Si Miss Tina! Oo! Si Miss Tina M! Ayoko magbanggit ng name. It's si Miss Moran. Ayan, si Miss Moran. Kasi pag binuo daw natin, ma-offend tayong lahat. Okay.
anything with the rest of the class?
Let's go.
Anything you want to promote? Virtual events you want to share? Communities you'd like to recommend we check out? Yes. Happy Hitad?
Hi, I'm Martin. Thank you for this webinar. Ang dami ko pong natutunan at bagong nalaman. Sobra.
Puro chismis lang nangyari
Kung ako lang po, gusto ko sana i-share that I'm part of a growing group of motorists and vehicle owners na tumutulong sa mga stranded sa daan dahil sa kawalan ng public transportation ngayong lockdown.
What's the group called?
Ang name ay Wheels for All. Currently, tumatanggap kami ng volunteer drivers.
What if we had the vehicle but not the driver?
Of course, masafe kung yung mismo may-ari ang driver for sanitation purposes. But if you're willing to allow your car to be driven by one assigned driver, we can send you guidelines on how to sanitize and prep the car for use. We understand that it feels like a big risk sa part ng owner, so feel free to visit our site and do your own due diligence. But I promise, we're not criminals.
Yes. We all know who the real criminals are, don't we?
Hi, I'm Chen. I'd like to join the group. May car kami dito ng ate ko na di naman ginagamit. Paano sumali?
Hi, Chen. TM is key.
Sige, message kita soon. Thank you.
Thank you, then.
Gumagawa ng way. Gumagawa siya ng way eh.
Tingin mo dyan, Carl. Ikaw nabato ka ng sod. Hindi ba kaya imahinasyon ko na dadala ng sobrang kalungkutan? Baka naman namimiss ko lang yung Faye na may karelasyon. O baka uhulang ako sa atensyon at pagmamahal.
Ganun talaga.
Namang masama. Kung nafe-feel ko itong mga naramdaman ko. Naman siguro masama, no?
Normal lang yan. Ang kiligin ay normal.
I don't know what your penalty will be. But only if you want, ha? Stay up and chat with me all night. Tonight.
No. Oh!
Ganito yung tamang pagsuot ng face mask. G! Pasok! Part 2!
Okay. Ano daw?
Ganito yung
Paano
tamang
pagsuot?
pagsuot ng face mask. G! Pasok! Part 2!
Part 2. Okay, sige, maya-maya lang. Dahil ganyan ang gagawin natin for tonight. It's 12:10 in the morning. And today is Independence Day, Pilipinas. Happy Independence Day sa ating lahat. Okay. So, part 1 has just concluded. And alam niyo yun, ito yung part ng storya nga na kung titingnan natin, ano to parang, well, kilig. Inuna yung kilig eh. Diba? Inuna nila ang kilig out of, alam niyo na. Inuna nila talaga yung kilig, no? Oo. Pero grabe ha. After nung kilig, ito naman, ano kayo mangyayari dahil bali-balita ang penalty. Ako, idiretso natin right now, idiretso na natin yan. As it happens, let's go. Part 2 is waving. Baka makasira ka dyan ng kurtina, ha? Unlike before, ewan ko na kung tama ba.
Hello. Gusto ba yung hello?
Hello.
Hello? Parang ako yan
I haven't mentioned the collateral.
Ano sabi?
Gusto ba yung hello?
Hello.
Ako pala. Ako nag-hello ako kay Butch. Sa Victoriano.
Nakita mo na yung drawing. Saan nagustuhan mo?
I love it. I love this.
Thank you.
Ang galing mo naman mag-draw. Ako, I can't even draw a straight line. You're welcome.
Ako nga hindi marunong sumayaw eh. Kanya-kanyang talent. Kanya-kanyang trip lang yan.
So, what else are you into? Am I being too forward?
Hini-hini muna tayo dito. I want to see you again.
Oh!
Ako rin. Ay, delete.
When this is all over, I'm gonna ask you out.
Whoa! Really, huh? Really?
Talaga lang. CC Strong.
Hey, I'm serious, huh? We should go out on a proper date. We definitely should.
Hey! I love it how it looks, how it sounded like a konyo.
Sige
Hey!
na. Ano naman ang plans mo para sa first date natin?
This is how I want it to happen.
Mm-hmm. Ay, grabe, may wow, swimming, ha? May pa-swimming. Dito ako na-amaze in the first place dun sa Take It To Me kasi it was on their cinematography at the same time yung ayun
Ay! Ang daya!
Did you feel that?
Ang daya mo, Chen! Grrr! Bakit ka nagnanakaw ng kiss?
Grrr!
Ayaw mo ba?
Lion yarn!
Wala lang. Parang na-surprised ako. Timbrehan mo ko, pagugulatin mo ko.
Ganon.
Pwede ba yun?
Ganun pala dapat. Titimbrehan ka muna.
Gusto ko kasi na-anticipate yung magiging first kiss natin.
Kapag timbre-timbre pa to.
Hindi mo ba yun right now? Hinihintay mo?
Oo.
Tell me. I wanna hear more.
Tell me more.
Okay, fine. Yung date mo.
Ay?
Kung ako tatanungin mo, ganito ang gusto kong mangyari.
Tingnan natin. Ito pala. Oh!
Oh, ba't ako lang nakahubad?
Ginawin ako
Sino may nagagaya?
Yan. Ang hirap pa pala kabanding ginawin ka. Ano yun?
Titimbrihan na ba kita?
Ay?
Ha?
Gulat yarn.
I think you'll be an amazing kisser.
Ay!
Paano mo naman nasabi?
Really?
I have goosebumps.
Ay? Ghost bumps. Charot lang.
Chen!
Oh my gosh.
Ikaw talaga!
Tama ba yung nakita ko? May patalong?
Patingin?
Oh my gosh.
Chen!
Tama nga. Tama yung nakita natin.
Ikaw talaga!
Oh my gosh. Grabe yung edit, ha? Okay. Okay, where are we? Ayun, they feel each other right now. Okay. Oh. Through their imaginations. Again, through their own imaginations.
Oh, cool. Martin just messaged.
From Wheels for All?
Yeah.
Hi, Chen. Martin here from Wheels for All. Checking in if you were able to get the community guidelines for sanitation and preparation of their vehicle for travel.
Hi, Martin. Thanks for getting back to me. Yes, we followed instructions and secured the vehicle now. I'll send photos in a bit so you can check.
You know, I was seriously impressed when I checked the group's Facebook page. It's legit. I had to do some serious vetting before deciding to go ahead and letting you prep our car. Jenny!
You won't run off with our car, right?
Oh!
But
The
not
big
really.
sushi!
Here's Russian.
We won't do that. But full disclosure for your extra peace of mind, I'm Key's friend.
Jenny! Jenny, no! No, Jenny!
Nabilaukan lang. Nabilaukan lang.
Hi.
What if I told you we'll be seeing each other sooner than we thought?
Ha? Ano ibig mo sabihin?
Like right now, punta ako dyan.
Bigyan ka na naman sa mga paandar mo eh. Sa tingin mo nakakatuwa?
Bilis mo talaga matalanta. It's cute.
It's cute, yeah.
Gusto ko labas ng bahay. Kaya ka nagsisiguro kung napaglito ng ate mo eh.
Sabi mo, timbrehan kita bago ka tagulatin.
Ayan.
Making timbre to you.
Bye!
Sinusunod ka sa mga dyan.
Tinitimbrehan ka na nga!
Hindi ka lusot! Ibisita ka! Agad-agad?
Ito yung missing story ng NS Channel! Ito na! One of the missing stories ng NS Channel. Grabe. Sige. Sige. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Yung first meet nila. Way back 2020. Ay! Ano, laki ng mata? Surprise!
I was just nowhere near the neighborhood. Hi.
Kainis to.
Yes?
Ano ba ginagawa mo dito, Chen? Umuwi ka na nga. Alam ba na ate mo nandito ka? May message ko si Miss Livy. Sige ka.
Bakit? Ayaw mo ba nandito ako?
Sup, bitches? O, kalunsod. Pupunta ka na ng bitch mo. Hi, Chen. I'm Martin.
Hi, nice to finally meet you.
Medyo confused ako. Anong nangyayari?
Hi, Kuya Wills! Oh, I just dropped off my car because Martin asked me to.
Ako na kasi maghahatid kay Kuya Wills pa uwi.
Okay. Yun. Yun ba yun? Okay, sorry. Gets.
O bakit?
Okay.
Ano ba akala mo?
Oh, by the way, here are my car keys.
Alright.
Ingat kayo sa Dana.
Thank you for trusting me with your car, Chen. May din kasi ako iaabot sa'yo. Ingatan mo, ha?
May din pala. Oo.
By
Gusto
the
ko yung
way,
energy dito
dalawa
ni,
din pala
ni
yung
Kaloy.
bicycle ko, so I can go home right after.
Ha? Uwi ka na?
Bakit? Did you want me to stay?
Hindi. Sige, mas mabuti nga umuwi ka na.
Sorry. Wait lang. Hi, Ats. I just dropped off the car kay Martin sa Sublime dorm.
Oh my God, Jenny!
Why, Ats? What's wrong?
Sana pala you didn't go out.
Why? What happened?
You can't come home. Listen to me. I heard from Vicky just now. They're putting our village on tighter lockdown on suspicion of a resident testing positive for COVID. So while they transfer the patient to the hospital, no one else can get inside the village. Do you understand?
Oh my God, Ats, are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine as long as I stay indoors. I'm just a little shaken that the virus is so close to us now. But no one will let you inside until further notice. Maybe 24 hours at least. Will you be alright? Do you have cash? Who's there with you? Should I call our relatives to tell them that you'll be crashing for a while?
I can ask Key if I can sleep over. I should be fine, but I have to ask.
Key? He lives there?
Yeah.
Jenny.
I know, Ats.
Just promise me you'll be very careful. This virus is no joke. Ang hirap pa naman to get tested if ever.
Yes, Ats. We'll be careful.
I hope this village lockdown is over soon.
Sana,
Sana 24 hours lang yan.
Me too.
Pero wait lang, anything will happen in 24 hours di ba? Di ba?
Thanks, Jen. Bye po. Key, favor. Is it okay if I sleep over tonight? Looks like I'm stuck here.
And it's going to be tuwan-tuwa. Oo, nagigets kita, Ki.
I really want to see your face now.
Oh! I missed! This is what I missed! Complete with face mask pa yun, Oo, nako. Kung alam nyo lang, grabe din talaga yung naging gateway nung story na to talaga, towards this episode. Knowing that Martin is a shipper. The shipperists. Yeah, di ba? Yet the energy is getting higher as we're reaching the finale part of the series. Ayan nga mga ka-NS muna ang naging kabuuan ng ating reaction, pero hindi pa po tayo tapos dahil magbabalik pa tayo for a while. I know that we've missed this moment mga ka-NS. Kaya nako, don't even miss the final story for this NS throwback reaction and this NS throwback / NS live reaction alert only here on NS Live as we are getting back later on. Ang oras muna natin 12:27 at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, at higit sa lahat sa notification bell for it to be notified sa mga susunod na mga happenings. I'll be back in a while. Ito po ang NS Live Reaction Alert.